I want you to notice that I have one side of the belt already hooked up to the machine, and I'm stepping on either side of it, squatting down, and then using the carabiner. It is a twist, and then you pull it back to let the hook grab on to the belt. I use the top connection, but you are going to use whatever connection works best for you that doesn't pinch you and fits your waist. We are now going to go over some common mistakes to avoid: half reps, pulse reps, feet too close together, feet too wide, knees caving in, basically looking like a fool. Set your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, toes pointed slightly out. Engage your core and maintain an upright posture. Disengage the safety catch by pulling the handles towards you. Continue holding onto the machine's handles, ensuring the belt is snug and the weight is supported. This is your starting position. Initiate the squat by sending your hips back and bending your knees, lowering your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as low as your mobility allows. Keep your chest lifted and spine neutral throughout the movement. Avoid rounding your back or letting your knees collapse inward. Push through your heels and extend your knees and hips to return to the starting position. This is 1 rep. Perform for the prescribed number of reps or duration of time, maintaining control and proper form throughout the exercise. Belt squats are an excellent lower body exercise that targets the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while reducing strain on the low back. As always, we do not want to push past any pain, and remember to breathe after we are done breathing. This is how we engage the safety catch. Make sure it's actually caught by the safety catch. And this is how we get out.